Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Most solar portfolios still operate reactively. An inverter trips, a technician gets dispatched, a connector overheats. The issue is discovered weeks later. A string underperforms quietly until someone notices the revenue gap in the monthly report. And over a 20 to 30-year asset life, that operating model becomes incredibly expensive. Not because of one catastrophic failure, but because of thousands of small failures that stay invisible for too long. That is the real challenge with utility-scale solar maintenance. Reactive operations create hidden compounding losses. Today we are breaking down how large solar portfolios move from reactive maintenance to preventive maintenance to predictive maintenance using AI condition monitorings and operational analytics. Reactive maintenance sounds simple. Wait until something breaks, then fix it. The problem is that solar assets rarely fail instantly. Performance usually drifts gradually. Connector resistance increases. Thermal stress accumulates. Tracker calibration drifts. Soiling builds unevenly. Inverter efficiency slowly declines. Meanwhile, the plant keeps operating. That creates a dangerous illusion. The site appears available, but performance is leaking constantly. On a 50-megawatt portfolio, even a 1 to 2% hidden underperformance gap can translate into six-figure annual revenue losses. It reduces IRR, lowers energy yield, and increases operational overhead. And because issues remain undetected, longer repair costs often increase too. Reactive maintenance does not just increase downtime, it increases uncertainty. Solar assets experience very different failure modes over time. Early life failures often include installation defects, loose connectors, commissioning issues, and grounding problems. Mid-life degradation typically shifts toward PID, hotspot development, bypass diode failures, tracker synchronization drift, and inverter cooling degradation. Later life assets begin showing structural fatigue, cable insulation, wear corrosion combiner degradation, and increasing component mismatch. The key insight is this: most failures leave signals before they become critical. Temperature changes, voltage drift, increased clipping behavior, string imbalance, and ground resistance changes are common early warnings. Predictive maintenance depends on recognizing those signals early. The industry's first improvement over reactive operations was preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance schedules inspections and service intervals based on time operating hours, manufacturer recommendations, or inspection cycles. Examples include quarterly thermal inspections, annual inverter servicing, scheduled torque checks, and periodic vegetation control. This approach improves reliability significantly, but it still has limitations, because fixed schedules do not always reflect actual asset condition. Some components fail earlier than expected. Others are serviced unnecessarily. That creates two problems: wasted maintenance resources and missed early-stage failures between inspections. Preventive maintenance improves consistency, but predictive maintenance improves timing. Predictive maintenance uses operational data to estimate failure risk before a fault becomes severe. Instead of asking, when is the next scheduled inspection, the system asks, what assets are beginning to behave abnormally? This is where SCADA thermal inspections, IV curve testing condition monitorings, and AI analytics start working together. Examples include identifying rising inverter temperatures, detecting recurring clipping patterns, spotting gradual string mismatch, tracking insulation, resistance decline, or identifying abnormal tracker behavior. The goal is not perfect prediction. The goal is earlier intervention with better prioritization. That changes maintenance from reactive firefighting to risk management. For a 50-megawatt-plus portfolio, predictive maintenance usually evolves in stages. Stage 1 centralized data bring together SCADA inverter logs, weather data, thermal inspections, work orders, and field observations. Stage 2 standardize workflows, create consistent inspection processes, escalation thresholds, reporting standards, and asset mapping. Stage 3 track recurring anomalies, degradation patterns, and temperature trends. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.